Okay, Jackson, this is your help through making a table in Google Sheets, basically the same as Microsoft Excel. You'll notice I've already started to put in a little bit of your information, but I'm going to let you do the majority of the work here on your own spreadsheet. There are things I can show you how to do so that you can make this look as nice as possible. First thing that you probably noticed is that I'm able to fit all this in one single cell. So let's go ahead and recap that. Let's say you wanted to type in normal activity, normal illumination into this cell right here. To make it so that it fits in the cell no matter what, we're going to text wrap it, which means that you click on this symbol right here, and it should look like that for you, where it cuts off the overflow onto the rest of the cells to the right. Instead, change it to wrap, and it should automatically move it over. I'll do that again with some gibberish here. Notice that it flows into the bottom and expands the cell instead. Another thing you might want to do with that is change the orientation of the alignment. You can change, of course, whether it's left, center, or right aligned for the cells itself. Or you can also change the alignment vertically. So if you want it at the top of the cell no matter what, if you want it in the middle of the cell no matter what, you'll notice that if I make these cells bigger or smaller, it still stays in the middle if I middle align it, top align it, or bottom align it. That's what that's all about. You can also arrange this text to be at an angle. So let's say you wanted to have slanted tops to it instead, like this, and you just expand this part right here, and you can see that you can change the angle of anything that you like. If you'd like to automatically resize things, you can double click on the bars right there. That will automatically resize it to the smallest or the largest one possible across. What else can we do? Backing up for you here. You can, of course, adjust the formatting of the text to make it bold, underline, italicize, anything along those natures. In fact, I would do all your editing here and then copy and paste it over into your poster. We can also go ahead and put in, instead of microliters, you like the mu for micro instead. We can just go into here and find our, it doesn't look like it actually has it there. We'll just go ahead and copy and paste a mu letter Greek into it. Just like that. And it will take copy and paste pretty easily. Like that. Like that. Boom, boom, done. Let's say that, okay, so we resized this cell to be the size of this hydrocortisone here, but you want this control to be on the next line down, but inside the same cell. All you gotta do, hit Control and Enter, and it'll automatically put it inside the cell, but make it so you have a new text in there. And if you want to see all your text there, you can just move this down like that. You can see all your text. That's basically it. Trying to think of anything else that you can do with this. Nope, I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions about anything specific. Good luck. Thought of some things before I let you go. If you want to change how the bars around here, I already made them black for the lines around the cells. Well, you can change that any way you like, whether it's all the borders to be, let's say, you want them to be red. You can do that, totally fine. You can change the background of these cells to be slightly yellow. You can change it just so that these top ones here, instead of being underlined for each one, let's say you wanted double lines underneath of it, you'd go to borders, bottom border, and you change the style of it. Boom, you got double bars right there. And you can take this whole section and copy it and paste it into your poster. I'm just going to do it to yours very quickly here. And I'll ask you if you want to link it to the spreadsheet or paste unlinked. I would link it to the spreadsheet because then any edits that you do back here in the spreadsheet, let's say you enter in something new there, you'll notice that you can just hit update and it'll automatically update things in there for you. So it'll be the same on both sides there. You could go ahead and edit things in here, and I do believe it'll backtrack the edits to back here, but I'm not sure about that. So I would just edit the table as much as possible and then copy and paste in. You can then resize it all you like there, but I would do all the sizing first in here. Okay? Hopefully there are no questions now.